Hey everybody, I'm Archie. I'm a teen services librarian at Durham County Library, and this video is a totally teen time segment that's presented by Durham County Library. I'm going to show you how to do melted crayon art today, and it's very easy to do. All you need is a canvas board, or if you want to use a cardboard box, like a side of a cardboard box, anything that's firm that you can glue crayons onto. The other thing you'll need is just, a bunch of crayons, or if you find any around your house, that'll work too. And a glue gun with a glue stick in it. And that's all you really need. The other thing you want to make sure is to cover your workspace, because this will kind of be a little bit messy. So I've used some old towels, but you can also use newspapers. So the first thing we're going to do is pick out the colors that we want to use for the melted crayon art. And I usually do this beforehand because I want to have the crayons ready, because the glue dries really quickly. So I've already begun here. I've got a couple of crayons on here. And what I'm going to do is take the glue stick and just glue across the top of the board, just like maybe a ½ inch. I don't do a whole lot at one time because the glue will get hard really quickly. So you just put a little bit of glue on the top, and then you press the crayons down on the glue. I'll show you. So I've put a little bit of glue across the top here, and then just press down the crayons. And then they're going to dry, and you're going to go all the way across with whatever colors you like. Sometimes people like to do like a pattern of colors, like red and then yellow and then blue, or you could do a rainbow arrangement, whatever you want to do. All dark colors, all light colors, all yellow, whatever works for you. And then the next step, which I already started here, because I thought it would be easier just to go ahead and have a board ready. These are colors that I chose and went ahead and glued on, and I already started to melt them just a little bit, just to make sure that this was ready to go. But I'm going to turn on the hair dryer and let it melt some more. But I won't do it for real long because, it's a little bit loud. It's going to take a little bit of time, but I want to show you how it works. So you can see that they're starting to come down. And if you turn the hair dryer either direction, it'll guide the wax to those different directions. The other thing I did this time was I took one crayon and glued it a little bit further out than the rest, so it's sticking out a little bit, because I thought that might be cool to add some texture. The other neat thing you can do is get a picture you like and put the picture down here. Or if you're an artist that, or if you just like to draw, don't have to be an artist, whatever works. You just draw something down here or put a picture, and then you can design the crayon wax, the designs around that piece of art. So that's really easy to do. And you can also, so by the time that you're all done with this, then you can hang it up. So you can put like a little hook on the back of it. Or whatever you want to do with it. But it's a lot of fun to do. It's creative, and it's always cool to see the different designs that people make. So I wanted to share that with you today, and I hope you try it out, and I hope you guys are doing well. And we'll be back for another segment of Totally Teen Time. Take care. Bye-bye.